5 Chevy 1500. There it is with the turn downs. Go ahead. It's a nice deep tone. I like it. Again. And it's actually, you can see it like lift up a little bit. It's breathing more. Again. Sound decibels again on 90, 96, 97. It's not too bad. Don't turn it off. And when you do the high flow cat on it, they'll open it up even more, especially with that one broken up a little bit. So it's probably got particles in it, you know? MAGNAFLOW 14-inch body. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Helps people out, man, on the video. Yeah, it's rattling pretty good. He's gonna get it painted next. He's working on it little by little. They are always look good no matter what. These old Chevys, they run forever, man. They're harder and harder to come by. You can see the seat inside, he's working on it.